Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into CVS. This is an all digital haul that we'll be doing today. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Also join me on Instagram or Facebook to see all my visual breakdowns. There's also a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone and take it in the store with you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're only going to be using our phone today for these deals. Our very first deal is an oldie but a goodie. I love this deal because it's so super easy. No, you're not going to get any extra care bucks after you buy this, but you're just going to pick up 2 of these Colgates at $7.98. Make sure you check it on your app to make sure which ones are connecting for this. And then you're going to use this $7 coupon you'll see at the bottom of the list there. So 2 of them, $3.99 or $7.98 together, using that $7 coupon. It's going to make it 98 cents after that coupon, or just 49 cents each. This is such a great deal, and it's just easy peasy deal. You can walk in and do this no problem whatsoever. This one has a possibility of being a moneymaker, but I don't have any paper coupons. If you do have the $3 Garnier Whole Blends paper coupon that was in the paper, then you'll be able to get this for a moneymaker. But I'm just going to break it down the way it is with digital coupons. So the Garnier Whole Blends are 2 for $8, so $4 each. You're going to use this $2 store coupon, this CRT. Now, CRTs are going to be your coupons that you'll find on the app that you can combine with manufacturer coupons. When you use that $2 CRT, it's going to bring it down to $6. And then there's a $4 extra care bucks that you're going to get back when you buy 2 of these. So it's going to make each of these just $1 or $2 together. I think it's a pretty good deal on the Garnier. And like I said, if you have that $3 coupon, you'll be able to get these for a 50-cent moneymaker on each one, or a $1 moneymaker. Now, this deal is not amazing at all, but it's okay. These are going to be 99 cents each. So what you're going to do is you can pick up the Colgate mouthwash and the Colgate toothbrush. Now, if you need 2 Colgate mouthwashes, go ahead and do that. If you need 2 Colgate toothbrushes, go ahead and do that. But what I did was I picked up a Colgate mouthwash and a Colgate toothbrush. Now, these are going to be $4.49 each, which is going to make it $8.98. There's a $2 digital coupon that you see here on the app. It's going to bring that down to $6.98. And then we have a $5 extra care buck that we're getting back. So you're going to use that $2 digital, getting back that $5 extra care buck. It's going to make these $1.98 together, or just 99 cents each. It's an okay deal. Pick it up. This is such a great deal on the Vaseline lotions because we're able to use all 3 of these coupons that you see here. The CRT, which is $5 off 20, and both of the coupons is $1.50 and a $3.50. So what I ended up doing so I can get to that $20 CRT in lotion, I picked up 4 of these Vaseline lotions that are $5.29 each. That brings our total to $21.16. Then those manufacturer coupons that you see for $3.50 and $1.50 came off, so that's $5 in manufacturer coupons. And then I had a $5 off for that $5.20 CRT you see at the top. And then in addition to that, when you spend $12, you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks. So our total for all 4 lotions was $7.16, or about $1.79 each. That's a really great deal. And you guys know that I make blessing bags, and these are good size to put in blessing bags for people who may need them. They get so much shampoo and deodorant, but a lot of times we forget that people also need lotion. So $1.79 each, digital deal, great deal on these. Pick them up. In addition to that lotion, you're going to need something on your lips. You know it's getting dry out here with this winter months coming. And so my girls were really excited about these because these are the Revlon Kisses. These are $6.79 each. The hydrating infused with natural fruit oils, SPF 20. So $6.79 each. I went ahead and picked up 3 of them. My total was $20.37. You're going to get back $5 in extra care bucks when you spend $12. And I did that, and I'm able to go back in the store and get some more because this is not going to be, you could do this extra care bucks deal a couple times on this. But after you spend $12, you'll get back $5 in the store in extra care bucks. In addition to that, all 3 of these CRTs are coming off. The $2 off on the Revlon Cosmetics, the $3 off on the Ardell Face Eyelash ones and the Revlon Cosmetics, and then the buy 2, get 1 free Revlon lip. All 3 of those are coming off. With all 3 of those CRTs coming off and getting back the $5 in extra care bucks, your total is going to be $3.58 for all 3 of them, or $1.19 each. In addition to all these great deals, guys, don't forget about your $8 off $40 purchase if you haven't used it yet. I always save those until Sunday when I get all of my deals in one transaction. So I was able to pick up everything that you've seen in this video today with that $8 off 40 purchase for $7.70. Such a great deal. I cannot believe it. But I do have some clearance items I want to show you next. So these playground balls are 79 cents each. I know my students are going to absolutely be excited whenever we bring these balls to school. And also, my own children will probably take a couple of them with them to their recess. Schools always need playground balls like this, and they can be kind of pricey when you buy so many. And, you know, the balls get kicked over the fence or up on the roof. And so I know schools would very much be appreciative if you bought these and donated it. So I cleared out the bin, and I'm going to take them to my students. And I'm sure they're going to be super excited to play kickball with the balls. So this is a great clearance find with the playground balls. In addition to that, there was just like a ton of the shoes and water items, like the towels and everything, hats. Shoes for 99 cents. If you're a person that donates, this would be a great item to pick up and donate to the shelter, or, you know, just anywhere that would need things like this. Great deals on the shoes, 90% off. What I ended up picking up, and what you don't see, is I picked up a bunch of the fans that were like, you know, the fans you hold to your face, because when we have the field day and that sort of thing, it's so hot. And those were like 70 cents. And there was other things like packs of chalk for 29 cents. I'm also going to be donating the packs of chalk to my school as well. All right, guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you in the next video.